County. At the top tonight, another new record when it comes to active COVID-19 cases in the Coastal Bend. As of today, there are nearly 4,500 people currently battling the virus, and that includes the more than 300 reported new cases just today. And of those 4,500 active cases, 328 are hospitalized, with just over 70 people in the ICU battling this virus.
Now, sadly, there was one COVID-19 related death in today's report from the health district. And tonight, folks who are keeping track of the projections in Nueces County are painting a dire picture of just how high COVID cases could rise. Our Bill Churchwell has the details in tonight's top story.
I implore you to please get vaccinated.
That message from Mayor Paulette Guajardo as the number of COVID-19 cases and people ending up in the hospital continues to head in the wrong direction.
When you have a large increase in number of people getting infected, that results in more people in hospitals and more people who may not survive this terrible disease.
According to city and county leaders, the more contagious Delta variant is sweeping across the Coastal Bend. Nueces County now has the highest hospitalization rate of COVID-19 inpatients in the entire state of Texas.
We've really got to stop meeting like this.
Dr. Chris Bird, the head of the modeling team at the Island University, putting the current situation into perspective.
6 months ago, if we hit 15% for 7 days, businesses would roll back their capacity. Now that order is not in place anymore, and we're actually at 27%. Since I made this slide, it went up even higher.
Bird saying if we continue on the path we're on without changing our habits, the number of COVID patients in the ICU could double from what we had during the peak of July 2020. Currently, however,
we're right about at the peak of the winter in terms of people in the ICU right now.
After a year and a half, the message remains the same. Wear a mask, social distance, get vaccinated. As of today, 41% of Nueces County residents are fully vaccinated. Not enough to achieve herd immunity.
We need to get that number up to 75%.
In an attempt to increase that number, Mayor Guajardo announcing a new initiative modeled after the one that helped homebound elderly residents get the vaccine. It's called the In-Home Vaccination Program, and it is for any and all residents who are 12 and up to receive their shot without even leaving home.
The City of Corpus Christi's Fire Department will come to you to give you that vaccine.
It starts Thursday, and all you have to do is call this number. It's 826-2489 or 826-CITY. Bill Churchwell, 3 News.
All right, Bill, thank you. Now, at that same meeting, county health leaders also broke down the number of breakthrough cases reported for Nueces County. Again, breakthrough cases, meaning folks who were vaccinated against COVID-19 but still got the virus. Now, we've now learned there have been 393 breakthrough cases in the county to date. Of those patients, 43 needed to be hospitalized. We did learn of 9 breakthrough deaths in the community. And back to the total of 393 breakthrough cases, we've also learned that 192 of those people received the Moderna vaccine, 133 the Pfizer, and 67 got the Johnson & Johnson. One person was labeled under unknown.
Okay, so now let's talk about the efficacy rates for the vaccines. According to the article, an article from Yale Medicine, they're all working, as each of the pharmaceutical companies stated. In April, Pfizer said it had a 91% efficacy against COVID-19 and 100% effective in preventing severe disease. Moderna, meantime, says it has a greater than 90% efficacy and up to 95% against severe cases, although the efficacy rate drops to just over 86% for people age 65 and older. Meantime, the Johnson & Johnson reports a 72% overall efficacy and 86% against severe disease.